Hi, does your knee hurt when you walk or exercise? If your knees hurt or you suffer from patellar tendonitis when doing any exercise or even walking, then the NEObracex patellar tendon strap and kneecap support band is the right answer to protect the patella during exercises involving frequent jumping and moving. If your knees hurt and you suffer from knee pain when doing any exercise or even walking, then this knee strap will provide pain relief. The strap is designed to reduce the pressure on the patella tendon, providing pain relief when running or exercising. It helps by acting as a buffer over the point of the tendon insertion onto the tibia. It absorbs stress to the knee, reducing vibrations on the femoral groove. It is fully adjustable and fits comfortably almost everyone. Kids and adult athletes love it because it can be put on and taken off in a snap. So, go play a round of golf, a game of basketball, or a tennis match without worrying if your knees are going to be in pain afterwards. Just click the link in the description below to get more information and comments on what other people are saying about this.
All you have to do is go to Amazon.com, type in NEObracex, and you're going to be presented with the 3 NEObracex products. Choose the patella tendon strap, and then you're going to go to the page, take a look at the pictures so you can see what it looks like, how it works, how to put it on, the benefits, and how to use it. Then you can click the add to cart, or you can go down the page and take a look at the customer reviews. So far we have 104, 70% 5 stars. The first one says highly recommended. Then it says this works great and fits well. I recently started playing basketball, and the NEObracex provides pain relief and helps me to feel support for my knee. Yes, get this. Somebody else said it's very comfortable. Great for soccer player. It's a must-have. Somebody said it didn't help, and that's okay. Somebody else said it's better than expensive knee braces from my doctor, and it's small enough to carry in my purse. Another person gave us 4 stars. It says it stays in place well. If we take a look at the newer reviews, then we're going to see that we have a 4 stars, another 4 stars because it relieves discomfort, then 5 stars, instant pain relief from Osgood's ladder, then 5 stars, another 5 stars, and another 5 stars. Would definitely recommend it to others. 5 stars, said very nice. Another 5 stars for my knee when running. You can click the add to cart, or you can go to the top of the page, choose your quantity, remember that it qualifies for Amazon Prime, and click the add to cart.